गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो आप? टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू द सिक्स्थ चैप्टर of our 8th science. Actually, we have completed our five chapters. I think many students have given the test exam in your schools. I hope you will get good marks in the test exam. आप सभी को अभी जो स्कूल में टेस्ट एग्ज़ाम हुए उसे में अच्छे मार्क्स मिलेंगे, मैं आशा करता हूँ। और अभी हम नेक्स्ट चैप्टर हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं एंड दैट चैप्टर बिलोंग्स टू केमिस्ट्री एंड नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर कंपोजिशन ऑफ मैटर। ओके, दिस चैप्टर बिलोंग्स टू केमिस्ट्री। ये चैप्टर जो है चैप्टर केमिस्ट्री से बिलोंग करता है, केमिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड है। And what is the chapter name of the chapter? That is composition of matter. Sixth chapter, composition of matter. This chapter belongs to chemistry. Okay. Now, whatever the chapters we have completed, some chapter belongs to physics, some chapter belongs to biology and some chapter belongs to chemistry. तो ये chemistry का second chapter है and in this chapter you have given some questions. That questions are related to your previous syllabus and it has mentioned by can you recall. आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में पेज नंबर 39, open your textbook and see the page number 39. You have given some textual questions. These questions are related to previous syllabus, means the syllabus of 7, 6, 7 का जो syllabus है उसी syllabus से relate आप कुछ questions पूछे गए। First question there is, what are the states of matter? What is the different states of matter? First question, that is states of matter. States of matter. Who will tell me the different states of matter? You are familiar with this question. ये question आपको बहुत familiar है. I hope you will 100% get the answer there. आपको 100% आंसर मिलेगा इसका। States of matter. Tell me, what are the different states of matter? कौन से मैटर के स्टेट्स है? Yes, anyone? That is first question. First answer, that is solid. Second, liquid, and third, that is gases. These are the different states of matter. Second question. What is the difference in ice, water and steam? If you saw the difference between ice, water and steam, these ice, water and steam contain the same composition of matter. इसी में matter का जो composition है वो same है. Only as per the combination of the particles, ice belongs to solid. Combination of particles, ice belongs to solid, water belongs to liquid, and steam belongs to gases. These are the difference ice, water और steam में क्या difference है? आइस रिलेटेड टू सॉलिड, लिक्विड और वाटर, यहाँ पे वाटर इज लिक्विड एंड स्टीम बिलोंग टू गैसेस. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, थर्ड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट आर द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर कॉल्ड? एनीवन? दिस इज आल्सो वी हैव सीन about the matter and smallest particle of matter. What is the smallest particle of matter? Smallest particle of matter is called smallest particle of matter, smallest particle of matter is called atom. Smallest particle of matter is called as atom, an atom. And fourth question, that is, what are the types of matter? देखो, we have a different question. Don't confuse. Confuse नहीं होने का. Different question से states of matter. Answer are solid, liquid and gases. Types of matter. Types of matter. Next, that is types of matter. There are three types of matter. First one, element. Second, that is compound. And third, that is mixture. These are the three types of matter, that is element, compound and mixture. Okay. Now we have again given some objects and classify that objects into solid, liquid and gases. First, I read that objects and then you tell me what does that object or in which state that object belongs to. First, that is cold drink. Cold drink, in which cold drink, what is the state of cold drink? Cold drink is in the liquid state. Okay. Second, air. What is the state of air? Air is in the gaseous state. Then sarbat. Sarbat is also in the liquid state. Soil. What is the state of soil? Soil is in the solid state. Then water. In which state water belongs to? Water belongs to liquid state. Next, that is wood. Wood is also in the form of solid, therefore a solid state belong करता है. And last one, that is cement. Cement is also in the solid state. What are the states of matter that you use as criteria for above classification? देखो, which criteria are used for the classification of the substance? Whatever the substance we have given here in your textbook, जो substance आपके textbook में दिया है, you classified them into different states, but tell me which criteria are used for their classification. First of all, those substance belong to solid. जो substance solid state belong करते हैं, that substance the particles are very close to each other. Second, in liquid the particles are far away from each other, and in gaseous the particles spread everywhere. Means according to particles we can classify solid, liquid and gases. Second, if we saw the intermolecular force between two particles in solid is very strong. Second, in liquid, intermolecular force between two particles is very weak or not very strong. And in gaseous state, the intermolecular force between two particles is very weak, very poor. Again, according to shape के हिसाब से भी हम substance, we classified the substance into solid, liquid and gaseous state. Okay. Now, if you saw movement, solid particles जो होता है, solid particles का जो movement है वो थोड़ा कम होता है, and the movement of gaseous particles is very fast. Gaseous particles far away, flow away from each other. ये vigorously flow होते हैं. Solid particles require the force for flowing. Next, that is, देखो, you have given some एक्टिविटी इन योर पेज नंबर 39 पेज नंबर पे है, आपको एक एक्टिविटी दिया है. व्हाट इज द एक्टिविटी? दैट एक्टिविटी बिलोंग्स टू देयर इज अ ग्लास जार और प्लास्टिक जार. नाउ टाई द ओपनिंग ऑफ द प्लास्टिक जार विथ बलून. जो बलून जैसा जो पार्ट है उसी से क्या करो, ओपनिंग जो है जार का क्लोज करो. देन रबर बैंड फुल cover with the jar, opening of that jar with rubber band. Pull the diaphragm up and down with the help of the thread first slowly, then with moderate force and vigorously. देखो what exact happens when the rubber, there is a up and down movement of the rubber. जो रबर बैंड है उसका मूवमेंट क्या होता है, अप एंड डाउन होता है. ऑन द अबव एक्सपेरिमेंट वी गिव एनर्जी लेस और मोर to the mustard seeds by pulling the diaphragm up and down. देखो, there is a glass jar. In that glass jar, we have to put the mustard seeds inside that jar. Then close the opening of the jar with rubber band. And then if you pull the diaphragm of that up and down, then when you pull upward, the mustard seeds will also vigorously go upward, and when you release the diaphragm, that mustard seeds will also get downward. Means the particles in solid, liquid and gases, states of matter have movement, but that movement is not similar. There is a different movement among the particles of solid, liquid and gases. Okay, how is the position of particles in solid, liquid and gases? Solid, liquid और gases में जो particles का जो position होता है वो कैसा होता है? You have given on page number 39. देखो 39 पेज पे आपको ये particles का position दिया है. Initially I draw this position of particles on the board, then you will get accurately there. First, that is solid. Second, liquid, and third, that is gas. Okay. First, here is a dish, and that dish contains the solid particles. These are the solid. Second, there is a now liquid has water, and third one, it is the shape of balloon. It is the shape of balloon. ये balloon जैसा shape है. Okay. Now, if we saw the intermolecular force or the distance between two particles in solids की जो particles है, if you saw the distance between two particles in solid, in liquid and in gases, then in solid, distance between two particles are very close. Means intermolecular force, these solid particles have very rare. These solid particles or particles in solid state are very close to each other. These particles are very close. Second, in liquid, the distance are far away from each other. Distance between two particles in liquid now in the gaseous, these are the state of gaseous. If you saw the interparticle distance or the force of attraction between two particles, these are the particles in solid, these are the particles in liquid, and last one the particles in gaseous state. Very clearly you will get the notice about the distance between two particles or the force of attraction between two particles in solid. So what is the distance? These particles are very close to each other. Particles are very close to each other, means intermolecular force is very strong. Is very strong. Very strong. Then the particles, if you saw the distance between two particles in liquid, particles in liquid are not close to each other, means there is a distance between two particles in liquid. Therefore, intermolecular force between two particles in liquid is not strong, or intermolecular force between two particles in liquid is not strong. Okay, यहाँ पे particles are not close to each other. Now in gaseous state, the distance between two particles in the gaseous state is very large. Means the particles are very far away from each other. Particles are far away from each other, and in the force of attraction between two particles is very weak or very poor. Force of attraction between two particles in liquid is very poor. ध्यान में रखो, very important part there is intermolecular force, means the force of attraction between two particles is called as intermolecular force. By this figures you will clearly understand that, आपको बहुत easy समझ में आ जाएगा. In solid, particles are very close to each other, means intermolecular force between two particles in solid is very strong. Second, the force between or the particles are not close to each other in liquid, means force of attraction is also not strong, means moderate to रहता है यहाँ पे. And last, in gaseous state, the particles in gaseous state are very far away from each other, and second, there is a poor force of attraction between two particles in solid. Okay, sorry, two particles in gaseous state. Gaseous state में जो force of attraction होता है between two particles are very poor or very weak. Now next, if you saw because of the strong intermolecular force between two particles in solid is very close, therefore they have a definite shape. यहाँ पे शेप क्या है? फिक्स है. वॉल्यूम is also fixed. Therefore in solid the particles are very close to each other, therefore solid substance have a definite shape and definite volume. Definite shape and definite volume, fixed shape and fixed volume. But if you saw in liquid states, or the objects belongs to liquid do not have a definite shape. Means यहाँ पे shape indefinite. बट हैव अ डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम, फिक्स वॉल्यूम। बट वॉल्यूम कैसा होता है? फिक्स होता है। व्हाई liquid state have indefinite in shape? Because according to the size of the container कैसा रहेगा? As per size of the container that liquid get its shape. Suppose this liquid if I pour in the polythene bag, then that liquid will get the shape of the polythene bag. Suppose this liquid if I pour in the tin, then it will get the shape of the tin. Can in glass jar, then it will get the shape of glass jar. Therefore, shape of liquid substances are indefinite or they do not have a definite shape, but they have a definite volume, they have a definite fixed volume. Now, in gaseous state, the substance in gaseous states do not have a definite shape and do not have a definite volume. Means neither shape nor neither fixed shape nor fixed volume. Then compressibility, suppose these particles are very close to each other, therefore if we want to compress them, it is possible for us to compress the solid particles में compress करना possible होगा? Yes or no? Why it is not possible to compress them? Because particles are very close to each other. Therefore, what is the compressibility in the solid? Negligible means we cannot compress the solid substance. But if we want to find the liquid, compressibility is very small and the compressibility in the gaseous substances is very high. सॉलिड में compressibility negligible है और हम compress नहीं कर सकते। यहाँ पे लिक्विड में compressibility थोड़ा कम है, यहाँ पे compressibility is very high. Now next character or next property of the states, that is intermolecular force. That intermolecular force we have already discussed here. Tell me, what is the intermolecular force between solid? क्या है solid में intermolecular force? Strong है या कम है, weak है? Intermolecular force is very strong. Because of the intermolecular force, particles are very close to each other. Intermolecular force बहुत strong है and that's why particles बहुत close है. Second, in liquid intermolecular force is moderate. Moderate means neither very strong nor very poor. Liquid में intermolecular force between two particles neither very strong, ज़्यादा strong भी नहीं है और ज़्यादा weak भी नहीं है, वो moderate है, medium. And in the gaseous state, और gaseous state में क्या है? What is the intermolecular force? In gaseous state में intermolecular force is very weak. Means particles cannot close to each other, or particles are very far away from each other. Now, next property of the following state, that is distance between particles. We have also discussed here, we have also written here, हमने यहाँ पे write किया है. What is the distance between two particles in solid? Solid के दो particles में क्या distance है? By this figure you can easily identify it. आप बहुत easily identify कर सकते हैं. What is the distance between two particles in solid? Solid के दो particles में कैसा distance है? Large है और weak है? There is no distance. These particles are very close. Minimum distance ही नहीं है, और रहेगा तो बहुत minimum रहेगा, बहुत कम रहेगा. But in liquid, what is the distance between two particles in liquid state? Liquid state में जो particles है, इसी particles में distance क्या है? Moderate है, is neither larger nor closer. ज़्यादा larger भी नहीं है और ज़्यादा closer भी नहीं. But if you saw In the gaseous state, the distance between two particles in the gaseous state is larger or closer. क्या है डिस्टेंस दो पार्टिकल्स में? वेरी लार्ज. ओके, इन दिस वे यू कैन write the differences among the solid, liquid and gases. What is the differences among the solid, liquid and gases? You have a question for 3 marks. आपको एग्जाम में 3 मार्क्स के लिए क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. It is the differences between solid, liquid and gaseous state. Okay. Now, next on the page number 40, you have again given the next topic. Write the composition of the following materials by means of chemical formula and classify them accordingly. देखो, substance, you have given the substances and what is their states, what is the matter. First one, that is water. What is the molecular formula or chemical formula of water? Water का chemical formula क्या है? और water which state, कौन सा स्टेट बिलोंग करता है वाटर? वी हैव अ चार्ट देयर ऑन पेज नंबर 40. आपको 40 पेज पे वो चार्ट दिया है. रीड वेरी केयरफुली. फर्स्ट वन, वी हैव गिवन द वाटर. वाटर, व्हाट इज द मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला ऑफ वाटर? वाटर का मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला वेरी सिंपल है. टेल मी व्हाट इज द मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला ऑफ वाटर? H. वाटर इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ, वाटर किसका कॉम्बिनेशन है? वाटर इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ, टेल मी व्हाट इज, वाटर इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. ओके, देन व्हाट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन, सॉरी, व्हाट इज द केमिकल और मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला ऑफ वाटर? वाटर का मॉलिक्यूलर और केमिकल फॉर्मूला क्या है? SH2O. Very good. What is the molecular formula of water? H2O. Then, second, types of matter. Water molecular formula आपको मिल गया H2O. And what is the state of matter? It is liquid in state. It is in the liquid state. Second, carbon. And what is the molecular formula of carbon? C. And it is in the form of, or it is in the solid state. Third one, that is oxygen. Oxygen molecular formula that is O2 and it is belongs to gaseous. Okay. Next, that is air. Air means mixture of all gases. Then when it belongs to, it also in the gaseous state. Okay. Next one, aluminium. Aluminium is also Al2 or it is in the solid state. Brass is an alloy and it is the mixture of carbon and copper and zinc. कॉपर एंड जिंक जो है दोनों का मिक्सचर अलॉय, ब्रास, कॉपर और जिंक दोनों का मिक्सचर करके हम ब्रास मिलता है. ब्रास इज आल्सो इन द सॉलिड स्टेट. एंड लास्ट वन, दैट इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. What is the molecular formula of carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide CO2. What is the molecular formula of carbon dioxide? CO2. Carbon dioxide का molecular formula क्या है? CO2 and it belongs to gaseous state. Okay. In this way, we have completed the first two pages, that is 39 and 40 page of the 6th chapter, that is composition of matter. Then we will conduct the next topic in the next lecture or next video. Okay. Then if you like this lecture, if you like this video, then subscribe it, share it, like it, subscribe my channel, press bell icon, That's why you will get the notification of latest videos. Thank you.